Okay, people, we in the kitchen again, and on the menu for today we have ramen noodles and cream of mushroom soup with sauteed white chicken. People, we always try to use simple, economical, and quick meals on this show. No salt, low sodium, okay? Okay, let's look at the seasons for this simple meal. We have Mrs. Dash, we have chopped onions, we will be using minced garlic, as well as black pepper. Okay, you want to get a medium pot and put 4 cups of water. Bring that water to a boil and add your ramen noodles to the pot. Okay, now this little season pack, you don't need that because it's high in sodium and we don't want to bring your blood pressure up, okay? You want to cook those noodles for at least 4 minutes tops, no longer than 4 minutes. And have a small pot on medium heat, and you want to add your mushroom soup. All right, now this mushroom soup is kind of thick, people, so you want to add a little water to this soup. So take that can, fill it halfway full with water, and we're gonna add that to our mushroom soup. Okay, and then stir it in real well to loosen it up. People, once the noodles are done, we're gonna drain those noodles as well as drain the can of white chicken, okay? All right, we want to get all the adjectives and preservatives off of that. In a small saucepan, you want to add 4 tablespoons of butter. You want to add your chicken. Then we're going to begin to add the seasons. You got your Mrs. Dash, you got your chopped onions, you got your minced garlic, and you got your black pepper. Now we're going to mix all this in together, people. And you talking about love. Listen, this is good here, okay? This is simple, economical, and quick meals made gourmet. That's what we do here on this show, okay? So in that sauteed pan, you want to, begin to stir these seasonings in and make sure it begin to cook evenly. Okay, it's time to plate, people. You want to add your mushroom soup first. Get you 4 tablespoons of that mushroom soup first, okay? Now you want to get a mound of these noodles and begin to add them to the mushroom soup, okay? And after you add the noodles, you want to top that off with 3 tablespoons of your white chicken. Make it liberal, okay? Because, you want to have a nice healthy meal for whomever you're serving, okay? And you want to top that off with a drizzle of some more of that mushroom soup. Yes, just drizzle it over your white chicken because you're adding flavor underneath and you're adding flavor on top as well, okay? And as you can see, I have a small saucer of some stuffing with some scallions on it. And to make this plate perfect, you want to garnish it with some parsley flakes. All right. Now I got some papaya juice that I'm, adding to my cup. And, people, it's time to eat. Okay, so let's eat. And as always, just give me a few minutes to get my grub on. So you just sit here and enjoy me eat for a few minutes, okay? This is very tasty. It's light, it's healthy, and it's simple. And that's what makes it so good. All right? And the papaya juice just tops it off. And I gotta have some dessert, people. You can't make a meal like this without any dessert. So I had a piece of leftover honey bun cake with nuts on it, and I dust that off along with my meal.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that bell so I can keep you posted with all new and upcoming videos, alright?